Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how can you increase the lifespan of your mouse click, and if it's completely dead, how can you make it work by using an app. Okay, so earlier this I've shown how many different ways to patch up your mouse click if it is decayed with the area, or how to replace the copper plates. If you want to go for those videos, you can check out the cards, but this video I'm going to use this automate mouse click app. You can download it from anywhere, link will be given in the description, but once you download, you have plenty of options to use this. So once you download, open, just pin it to the taskbar if you want to make use of this. Now there are two options. First one is the pick by location, so wherever you place the mouse, it's going to work on that particular location. Otherwise you can pick this one, it's for some other purposes. The second step is to assign the hotkey. So once you click over start, now you can assign the hotkey, the keystroke which you don't use and you would like to make a use of with your left click. Assign that and make sure you go with the setting repeat 1, because you don't want to run it on loop. So you have to press 1 to make it work and again over to make it stop. Okay, for example, this you have to press once to make it work and then twice to stop it. So you can see it's working fine. If I go over the URL tab, or if I open new tab, and if I show you in real way, I have placed it over the close button. If I hit, you can see it's working. Now it's turned on. Now if I just place mouse anywhere over the location of this interface, you see it's coming up with a quick nature. And if I take it over to the taskbar, it's going to run all the apps in a single click, you see. So that's how it works, and using this you can increase the lifespan of your mouse, and if it's completely dead, you can use this app and make it work. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.